No, please, don't be
Why
angry.
are you bent on budging us in this house? Are you mad?
Don't be angry. I'm not mad. Please, Akweba number 11.
Yes, and so what?
I said it. I said it. This is where my sister lives.
Your sister doesn't live here. She does not live here. If you know what is good for you, leave this place and never return.
Please, it has not got into that, please. It has not got into that. I'm stranded. I'm stranded.
Do you want me to call the police on you? No, do you want me to call the police right now to get you arrested?
It has not got into
calling
police.
Shut up and leave. Enough.
200. 200 naira ego moto. Okay. Make it 500. 150. Ha! So this is how I'm going to suffer in the city. No transport money. Hey! Okay, this is the township. Why did I come to township? So Caroline, my sister, and her husband relocated without informing me. Now I'm stranded. How will I go back to the village? No transport money. Am I going to fly? Hey! Ibakwa. Why did I come to the city? Can't the problem be here? What did I put myself into? This lady, you are not a good person. You are not you don't even care that somebody is stranded. Where do I go now? I don't want to sleep in the park again. Especially that short one. What is all this? Where am I going to? How will I go back to the village now? Am I not in trouble? Is this not trouble? Is this not that somebody is in trouble? Never! They never know go around. Somebody gave it a go. Come on, we made on a transfer. Hey. No, Kada. What do you better man they make? Because who the township?
Hello, policeman. Yeah, could you please come? Someone is bugging our lives here.
You for police. Tell them 200.
Your family?
They are fine. They are fine.
This one you came to see me this early,
no, there's no trouble, Mark. I actually rushed down to the village to tell you that I saw Nkechi in the city. She's in the city.
Nkechi?
I even afford to take her home so that I will know where she's living.
Nkechi, my sister, you saw Nkechi?
I saw if you pretended that I did if I didn't know that you were.
Hey! So Nkechi is alive?
She's alive and held you.
Nkechi is alive?
You see Nkechi.
Hey! Kene, thank you so much. Kene,
my pleasure.
Kene, God bless you. Your show is Nkechi you saw. Nkechi one name one.
You see where she's living, like paradise.
Hey! Chukwu dalu, Chukwu Olisa dalu. You saw Nkechi.
Yeah.
Nkechi is alive. Thank you so much, Kene. God bless you. You know what? Let's go to Okudili's house. Let me go and tell Okudili. Okudili, he needs to know. What the guy trouble Nkechi since. Hey!
Won't you lock your door?
Ekene has found Nkechi in the city.
You say?
Ekene has found where Nkechi is staying at the city.
Ekene?
Yes.
In the city?
I saw Nkechi there.
Where?
Nkechi?
She even took me to where she's living.
She took you there?
Yes.
Please, you take me there. You take me there, please.
Your wife is not in any form of danger. I think she's living fine where she is.
Please. You have to give me her address. Let me take me to. I want to go tomorrow. I can't go this night, please.
I'll be coming back on weekend. Just 4 days away from now. I'll take you to that place.
Please now, weekend is far. Please now, let's go tomorrow or even this night. I can still go.
No. Just leave it weekend, okay?
Let's leave it weekend. weekend. Oh, weekend, all of us will go and see Nkechi.
It is better.
We've been looking for Nkechi since, so we'll go together.
This is my wife you are talking about. You're telling me what?
Sister.
Please give me address. Please, you're saying what? My wife. Give me address. This is my wife you're talking about. Give me address first. Give me address. Give me address. I'm not following you. Give me address. You're saying what?
Sweetheart. Wow, can't believe it. What? Tomorrow we're heading straight for a court marriage. Officially we'll become husband and wife.
No, man and wife.
No, it's husband and wife.
No, it's man and wife.
No, forget that.
I said this.
Forget all those English bullshit. What's that? Let's get to the hospital as soon as possible, please.
Don't worry. I'm fine. Let's sit.
No, you're not fine. You look so weak and sick.
Let's sit. I'm late. I'm 2 weeks late.
Wow.
And there's something about me I haven't told you.
Listen, I don't want to hear anything, okay? Let your past remain in the past. See, what is in the present right now is me, you, and our unborn child. That is what is in the present. I don't want to hear anything about your past. Let your past remain there, okay?
I know, but this is...
She has gone back to the barracks.
I can now welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you. It's a memory, see. Wasted journey.
Welcome back, eh? Are you fine?
Do you have food in the house? Choramoni.
Let me bring water.
2 days I have not eaten. Don't leave water. Food. What they don't tell me? Get me food. Agaleka. So Agaleka go now. No, she should have stayed. She should have stayed. She did not. She's lucky that I did not meet her. This journey that I wasted. I have shown her that I'm a man. Nonsense. Get me food, let me eat. If you like, let her cross this gate again.
Stay now, eh? At least wait until the weekend. I don't want to stay in this house by myself.
Wait until which weekend? What's wrong with you? Eh? Did you kill anybody? Eh? Did you kill anybody? What are you afraid of? Stay here, let me go and get Nkechi from the city.
Okay, please now. I begged you already. How long do you want me to beg you? I have a strange feeling about this your trip. Stay with me now. You're asking me if I'm afraid. Don't you know what we did?
I don't know what you did. What are you talking about? Please just wait. Let me go to the city and get Nkechi. Stay here. I've told Naka to help you out if you need anything. Just calm down. I'll be back tomorrow. Let me go and get Nkechi. Please relax. You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Oh, good, Dilly.
I'm telling you. I suffer I suffer like an orphan. When. Eh? Stranded in the park. Nobody to ask for money. Nobody to ask for address. My own sister, my blood sister, relocated with her husband where they are living without informing me.
Caro?
Without informing me. Without telling me that they are traveling abroad. I'm telling you. I had to trek to the park.
Hi.
I was there. I was stranded. I had to sleep there.
How you suffered though?
Carol, my own sister, made me to sleep in the park with Indiabo.
Hi.
They were shouting on my head.
Hi.
It's all right.
You see that girl, Carol? She only remembers you whenever her house is on fire. Now that she's living peacefully with her husband, she has completely forgotten everything about us. Carol cannot even pick up the phone to call us. Oh, no problem. No wahala.
Ya Goribe. Ask me, let her enjoy. She's now at peace with her husband. She forgot me. Next time, her husband will beat her and she will run back here. I will kick her. I will lock the gate against her.
It will not happen.
Rubbish.
I hope you're enjoying the food.
I'm enjoying it.
Let me get you water. You talk too much. You're going to...
Please get water. Huh? If not Kosara, by now, I'll be on the road, trekking. People inside bus will see me as when they'll be waving at me. I'll be trekking. It's alright. You see that abroad you people went to? You and your husband, you will not come back to Nigeria again. If you try to come back, your plane will start. You will see. I'll go and call you. Nonsense and ingredients.
Sweetheart. Please, I have to
What you just...
I got a call from the shop to come, okay? Listen, I have to dash to the shop now.
But you just came back, Noko.
Yes, they just called me. Look, before you know it, I'll be back.
It's okay. Be careful, okay?
Okay.
Love you, baby. Bye.
Please, can you tell me where this is?
Okay,
This street.
it's this street now. Like if you go there, you go like this.
I go like this?
Yes, this way.
Right, like this now?
This road now.
You're sure?
I'm sure.
Thank you very much. This place?
It's this place.
This place?
This is the house. I know the man have the house.
You even know the man that has the house? Very good. Very good. Very good. You're sure it's this house? Okay. 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 You say it's 300, eh? 300. You're sure it's this house? This house? It's all right. You say it's 300 now. Thank you. Thank you. You're sure it's this house?
Who is knocking? Who could that be? And I'm not expecting anyone. My husband is not around. Whoever should just go and come back when he's around, I beg. Don't have time.
Nkechi? Nkechi? Nkechi?
Ah, Nkechi! Nkechi, what is it? Ukuli, why are you screaming my name? Have I not told you severally to stay away from me?
Nkechi? Nkechi? Nkechi, so this is where you are? This is where you are? I've been looking for you everywhere in the village. Anyway, I don't want to talk too much. We are going back to the village now. You understand me? Yes.
Okudili, you must be mad to think I'll ever go back to that village with you again. Yes, you must be insensitive to think I'll ever follow you to that stupid village again. Look at me, maybe look at the place I'm living and enjoying my life. Did you give me what I'm experiencing here? You never gave it to me. So I will never go back to that house with you. Never, I'm never going to that village with you.
Nkechi, I don't want to talk too much. Wait, is it because of this hostel you are wearing on your head that Nkechi,
you could not afford it.
I don't want to talk too much. Because your sister Mwaka will never let me drink water. She's asking me about Nkechi every time. Please, let us go back to the village.
Tell your sister Nkechi is fine.
Tell who you are fine.
Brother, where are you going to?
How are you?
I'm fine.
How is school?
School is fine. What of Karo? Have you heard from her?
Kosara?
Yes.
If you want to talk about this issue, it's all in a Kosara, go and Kosara Chineke. Or a Kosara a blessing. As for me, I don't want to hear about it. Karo's matter should not come to me now.
But why are you talking like this? Why are you behaving like this now? Karo is our sister. Oh. The only sister I have. And she's your sister too. Why are you just being mean? Do you even know if she's okay where she is?
Do you know if she's okay? What if she's okay?
That is not what we should be talking about now. Let's even consider her own safety first. Do you know if she's okay where she is? And
Safety.
you're just being angry.
Safety. What if they have traveled abroad? Will you go to abroad to look for them? Have you entered plane before? Eh? Would they allow you to enter plane?
But let's go.
Talk of going to abroad to look for your sister. Please, let her stay wherever she is. I don't want to stress myself again. Looking for somebody that I refuse to be looking for.
But that is not what I'm saying. That's not what I'm saying. We need to go and look for her. I'm not happy. Oh. That's even why I left school.
You are not happy, me too, I'm not happy. That's why I don't want to talk anything. Put my mouth in any issue that concerns Karo.
We have to talk about it though.
Do you know what was suffered in the city?
But I know.
Were you not the one that sent me money?
I know.
I have suffered, so you cannot go and look for her. If you are stranded, call me, I will send you money.
Okudili, leave my house.
Open this.
Okudili, leave my house.
Open this door. Open with your house. Go and get your things. Let's go back to the village.
I'm not going back to the village.
Let's go back to the village.
I'm not going back to the
Let's
village.
go back to our house, Nkechi.
This is my house.
Which house?
My new house.
Which house?
My house.
The house that I know that you have is my house. The house I married you into. You understand me? From Umwama Kindred in Umwaku village. You understand me? That's your house. Okay, enter this house now. Take your things. Let us go back to the village.
What do you?
It's not there.
See, leave my house.
It's not. Which?
Please, I beg you, just forget about whatever she must have done to you. Let's just go and look for her, please.
She don't want to be found, so I'm tired. Go inside and eat.
How can I eat? How do you think I will have mouth to eat when my sister is missing?
Because your sister is missing, you will not be eating. Okay, me, I have finished eating. She should continue missing. Because wherever she is now, she's eating. So I cannot be here looking for her, being stranded and being hungry.
At least you're home. At least nothing happened to you. Let's not go and look for us. My only sister. I don't like what you're doing.
You want something to happen to me?
Nothing will happen to any of us. Let's go and look for her.
That one I will disappear. You people look for me too. Go inside. Blessing is there. Let her give you.
But please, I beg, don't do this now. Must I beg you always?
Beg me how?
Let's go and
I don't understand the kind of begging you are begging me. Caroline the bad dot. Very soon she will be a mother. If she's not a mother yet. Eh? They have traveled abroad, forgot us. Me, because she now will ask her for money. I know. Forget they think I'm a child.
But there is no that one. You know how her husband is. You know how Abuchi is.
She blocked my number.
If they are maltreating her, do you even know if she's tied on a chair or something?
Husband came here and took her back. So they are now living in peace.
You saw the mood they left here, B?
No, they were.
You saw the way they left.
I saw it. I was here. Philip is telling me that she just abandoned us.
Me, I'm waiting for you.
Go to
let her
give her money.
Come back.
Go inside the jail.
Just the action stop.
What is all this? Not having the stop. Come back.
Oh, Abuchi. Sometimes I just miss Abuchi. I know we were living like cat and dog, but you shouldn't have died. Abuchi, you shouldn't have died. I miss him.
Who's there? Who is that?
Holy Ghost fire. 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 I cannot stay here. Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire.
Okay, open this door.
I will not.
I'll
Go back to the village, oh.
Come on, leave this place also. You and we are playing. My friend, go and get your things. Let's go to the village.
When you're done barking like a dog, you will leave.
Oh, Mama, Umakwe. See where your wife has come to. Okay. So, this is what they have been spoiling you. In fact, who is that man? Who is that man you have been spending that money with? Yes. I hope you haven't finished the money. Oh.
My husband, go back to your wanted wife. You never appreciated me. You never loved me. Now God has blessed me with a good man who has everything.
Shut up, keep quiet. We work out. Who is that man?
Yes, that's my husband too.
Hey! Nkechi, let's go. Nkechi, let's go. Nkechi, let's go.
Leave me alone.
Nkechi, let's go.
Okuli, leave me alone. There's nothing that will make me go back to that village with you. I'm never going back to that village with you.
Nkechi, who is this man?
My husband.
You see?
My husband.
I'm listening.
Yes, he's cute. Leave me alone.
Nkechi, who is this man?
My cute, caring, handsome, tall, dark, sweet, rich husband.
Shut up, this man is dead. Let's go back to Mama and Wako. I have a lot to explain to you. Come, let's go.
Shove that your explanation. Shove it on your throat. See, let me tell you, there's nothing that will make me go back to that village with you. And on Nigeria, you were not treating me well. Now that I found a good man who is rich and comfortable, you want to drag me back to the village.
Oh, this man is dead.
Who is
this
dead?
Man
Leave
is
me.
dead.
I said I will not go. You are a liar. You want to deceive me?
Mama.
Please go back and meet your girlfriend at home. I'm never going back to that house with you.
Nkechi, for your own good, please.
Leave
This
me
man
alone.
is dead. Now, this man is dead.
Yeah,
Nkechi, let's go back.
Leave me alone. See, let me explain to you. There's no amount of deceit, lies, cheap cooked lies that will make me go back to that village with you. He's my husband to be, and as a matter of fact, I've gone to his village to meet with his parents. Yes, you heard me right. Very soon they are coming to pay my bride price. Yes.
The dead man is coming to pay your bride price.
Who is dead?
The dead man is coming.
Look, please go out. Don't touch me.
Hey.
Okuli, don't touch me.
Hey.
He's dead. Because he's richer than you now, he's dead.
I'm not the only one that will hear this.
I know.
Nkechi, come, let's go.
Make people
Hey.
say call
Nkechi.
about one of
Nkechi,
Leave me alone.
Nkechi. Oh, Mama. Hey. They will hear this. Nkechi, let's go. Nkechi, for your life. Let's. Hey. Nkechi, let's go. Jesus. Nkechi. Oh, Mama. Hey. Oh, Mama.
Hey. Hey. Jealousy is a big disease, oh, because he's rich, tall, cute, caring, handsome. He's now a dead man.
Hey. I don't want my eyes saw now. I don't want my eyes saw. Eh? Wait. It's Abuchi now. It's Abuchi I saw. Yes, this guy was Abuchi now. No, it's Abuchi I saw. It's Abuchi. Oh, is this Abuchi's younger brother? I saw his picture. No, it's Abuchi. I saw his picture. No. Only me cannot hear this. Only me cannot. No. Nkechi, this way. No. Only me cannot hear this. Only me cannot hear this. Nkechi, this way. No. No, this is not the time for this nonsense. Pick up this call, my friend. Go. This one should go to. Sabu. Hey. Jesus. What is all this now? What's all this? Wait, Is it not Abuchi or is it his younger brother's picture I saw? No, it's Abuchi. It's Abuchi now. It's Abuchi I saw in this house. It's Abuchi. Go, Kechi. No. No. I'll be here. I'll wait until he comes back. What was all this? No, it's Abuchi now.
Hey. Hi. You suffered, Nkechi. Okudili must be very delusional to think I'll go back to the village with him simply because he's telling me one cheap lies like that. Stupid man. Honey, you're welcome. I'm fine.
Are you okay?
My darling, please sit. I heard the most ridiculous lies ever. I'm telling you. It's not funny. My ex came to this place.
Tried to sweet talk me into going back to the village with him. I told him no, that I'm never going back to that village with him. The next thing, he came up with one cheap lies, one useless lies. Hey, is this the man? I know him. He died some time ago. He's a ghost. Like, how possible is that? I told him that I've even gone to meet your parents, that we're getting married soon.
Has he gone?
Yes, he has gone. Did you see him on your way coming back? Don't worry, I know Okudili very well. I'm Mami Ofma. He will definitely come back to this place again. And when he comes, I would want you to meet him.
Yeah, why not? I would like to meet him. Oh, so that I'm very hungry and fagged out. Did you cook?
Yes, I did.
Wow, I'm hungry. I want to eat right now.
It's understandable you had a hectic day, so you should be tired. So, go to your room, have a good bath while I dish your food.
No, I will wait, sit here, go and get the food.
Okay, you want to eat before taking your shower?
Okay, let's go and serve your meal. All right.
You're too long now. Did I see the younger brother or Abuchi? It's Abuchi. Nkechi, this is where you ended. Nkechi, this is where you ended. No. No. Let me go back to the village. Abuchi. Let me go back to Nkechi. Let me go back to the village. Because
Biko, see, don't worry. If transportation is a problem, I'm going to bring the money. Biko, let's just go and look for my sister. I beg you.
Kosara, you see my leg? It will not touch that city again. Not after what I passed through. You want me to go again? I don't think so.
Obidaya, she's right. You cannot just sit here as if all is well, when it's clearly not. Remember the condition in which she left here.
Exactly.
Please, you have to go.
Brother Biko, please, how else do you want me to beg you? Please, remember she's our sister, the only sister I have. Biko, just forget about the past. Let's just go and look for her. I beg you.
She's our sister now. I suffered. Eh? Who will suffer that kind of suffer that I suffered that will want to go again?
But you keep going back to your suffer. We know at least you later came back. Biko, please.
So you expected me to disappear?
Obidaya, please. We are begging you.
It's alright. Catch you for good. Until tomorrow morning. Let me think about it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you too.
What is wrong? You've been acting strange since you got back from the city. Didn't you see Nkechi?
see, Caro.
Eh?
Caro.
Eh?
See, I have seen wonders in this my life. But the one I saw today, ha! I can't believe I'm confused.
What is it now?
Hey, Abuchi.
Hey!
Abuchi.
Don't mention that name, please. Do you know I almost had a heart attack today? Because I saw someone that looks exactly like Abuchi in this house. It's Yoku. He looks exactly like Abuchi.
Don't say that. I hope you're not trying to scare me now. Don't say that now.
I'm not lying.
See, because today, when I went to the city, I saw Nkechi. Yes, and guess where I saw her? In Abuchi's house. Yes, Abuchi's house. Yes, I'm telling you. But I don't want to believe it's Abuchi. It must be the younger brother. Yes.
No. Abuchi doesn't have a younger brother.
He doesn't? You're sure?
It's Yoku, he doesn't have.
See, Nkechi told me that Abuchi is her husband. Yes, and she has even gone to the village with him to see his people. See, I don't understand what is going on. See, the solution to this thing now is that tomorrow morning we'll go to the city. Yes, then we'll go to that house, then you confirm. Let us just be sure. Let's just be sure who Nkechi is really with.
Something is messing with our minds. Abuchi is dead.
Abuchi is dead. Abuchi is dead.
Abuchi is dead and gone.
Abuchi is dead and gone.
Our mind is just messing with us.
I agree. Abuchi is dead and gone.
Abuchi
you are dead and gone.
Abuchi, you are dead.
Dead, gone, buried.
Gone.
Abuchi
is dead. Abuchi is dead. Abuchi is dead. Abuchi is dead.
Had a nightmare?
Yes. I had a terrible nightmare. Thank God it was just a dream.
It's not a dream. It's real.
Baby, stop. I know it's just a dream.
From now on, you are under arrest in this house.
Baby, stop now. What kind of joke? Stop. Or am I dreaming?
You will not leave this house. Not do anything. You will not go inside the room until I'm through with what I'm doing. If you disobey me, you will die.
Baby, why are you joking? This joke is expensive. Stop. I know you're playing with me, right? What kind of dream is this? I know I'm dreaming. This can be reality.
This is reality. Get back to your normal position. Sit.
Dreaming or something. What is this?
You are not dreaming. This is reality. Like I said before, get back to your normal position. Get back to your normal position. I say sit. Put your legs on the couch.
Baby, stop.
Put your legs on the couch. Put your legs on the couch and your head close to your right arm. Slip back. You will remain here in this sitting room until tomorrow. Until your husband pays for what he did to me.
Be fast, let's go.
I'm almost done.
You are going to the city to look for your sister, not to go and do competition. Eh? You are coming. For how many hours? Don't dress the way we will not see how.
But I'm done, sorry. I was just trying to pick some stuff.
You are really done. I can see. Are you going for swimming?
Brother, don't start now. Let's be good.
Your sister is not inside water. Please, I don't want men to disturb us.
Nobody is disturbing us. Let's go. Nobody is disturbing anybody.
Please,
Take it easy.
take care of the house.
I will.
Take care of the house. Don't eat too much. 3 minutes, that's 2. 3 minutes.
Kosara, you know how
With
your
my
brother
gizzard.
is.
I know.
Please
You
wash
don't
over
need to tell
him.
me.
With my gizzard.
Control him.
Please take care of yourself. We are
With the
coming.
gizzard inside.
Brother, there's no
Enjoy
time.
it, I'll
We are coming back here. Take care of yourself.
Pastor Abekoneba. Go inside the house, lock up that place,
Brother,
and pray.
let's go. There's no time.
Kosara.
Every parish priest,
Obadaya, Obatos, Obadaya, Weluya, Wayo, Niji Fulebuka, Ijelu Wadiobu.
Abuchi, please. Please. I beg you. I don't know what my husband did to you. Just forgive him, please. Don't hurt me. Please. I beg you. Please. Please.
You disobeyed me. I instructed you not to leave that seat. But no, you were stubborn. You sat down here. That was not my instruction.
I'm sorry, I was confused.
Right now, I will have to tie you like a goat for disobedience.
Abuchi, please. Please. I've been a good woman to you. I've not done anything wrong to you. And you know that. Please. Please.
Your husband.
Please. Please.
Your husband.
Just wait. Abuchi, are you really a dead man? Eh? You just want to scare me.
Yes, I'm a ghost. Ask your husband.
Okwodele nwa bialu wando.
I hope you didn't forget anything. Good.
I'm not strong enough for this trip. You know I'm due. I'm almost due.
You see, forget this thing you are saying. You understand me? We just have to go. We have to go. Yes, that's the truth. We have to go. No problem. Let's just go. I'll tell the driver to be gentle. You understand? Let's go, please. Let's go.
And the one forcing me.
Let's go. Let's go.
I don't want to go on this trip.
Let's go now. I'm forcing you to go.
I don't want to go on this.
You don't want to go?
Yes.
Okay, stay now. Maybe you see Abuchi again now. Stay. Stay now.
Uncle, did you wait now?
No, stay now.
Hey, but why are you running now? Wait for me.
This is the house, and the gate is open. Let's go in there and knock.
What is my sister doing in this house?
I wouldn't know. If we go inside there, we'll ask her.
This is not where Nkechi used to live.
Let's
now.
go, Mwaka.
The gate is open. Hey! Hey! Nkechi!
Nkechi!
Nkechi! Stop! Nkechi!
What is it?
Nkechi, what is it? What are you doing here, Nkechi?
Okay, this is Mwaka.
Nkechi!
This is Ekene.
What are you doing, sister?
What is it?
Sister, thank you for saving me. Let's go. We have
what
to go.
is it?
This place is dangerous. Let's go. Let's go for our lives first.
Who are you people?
What are you doing here? Who are you?
This is my in-laws house. My sister is married to a man that lives.
Where is my sister?
Wait, let's get this straight. Our sister just ran out from this house, and you want her to escape. If we miss our sister, you are in trouble.
Where is my sister and her husband?
You both are in trouble. Where's my sister?
But we did not see anyone here. Did we see anybody?
Who brought you people here? This is my man. Where's your sister? Come on, go back. Come on.
Go, police.
Nkechi!
Wait, let us allow you. Let us
Okay.
So what's the...
Never!
Allow us to go. Bros, allow us to go.
Why did you people enter this house?
Who are you?
Why did you people enter
How
this
did you enter this house?
Police will carry you.
Come here.
So you people were saying we want to sell my sister. My sister's house. Never!
I'm so sorry for leaving you. I'm so sorry for leaving you. Oh, you were right. Oh, I shouldn't have left you, my love. Hey!
See, we actually came to confirm the identity of the man you are with.
Which man?
Is it Abuchi?
He's a dead man. That man is dead, though. He's dead. I even want to ask you, where did you meet that man? How did you know him? This man held me hostage and said that he's not going to leave me till you pay for what you did to him.
Hey! What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
How did you know him? That is my question. What happened? Who is this man? Where did you meet him? What happened? That is my own.
Forget police, so let me just confess. Let me confess. Forget police, let me confess.
Suli, what happened? Tell me the truth. What happened? What really happened?
The truth of the matter is that man you're with, Abuchi, is actually her husband. Yes, and she used to stay in that house you are in. You know, why she has been staying in her house is because, oh God, that day I went to fetch firewood, I mistakenly killed him. Mistakenly. I just pushed him, you know. Mistakenly.
What are we going to do? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Hey!
So he's dead. He's actually a ghost. He's a ghost. He's a ghost. Hi! No, he cannot be dead now. I went to his village, yes. I was with him.
What are we going to do?
Jesus.
room now. Go back to your house.
Oh,
Leave me.
Hey!
Leave me alone now. Go back to your house now. Leave me.
In your mind, you will think that you hold us hostage, I think.
People will not live here.
You even went to go and call police.
Yes.
We are not going anywhere.
Okay, in your mind, you are thinking that you succeeded in keeping us hostage.
Yes,
not,
sir.
And you went and invite police for us.
Yes. You people have to answer.
You will know.
You are not going anywhere. Officer.
No, police is your friend.
Officer.
I can see you are not waiting.
Arrest these people.
I can see that you are rude.
Arrest which people?
Arrest you.
Arrest these people. Search this woman.
Arrest which people?
There is my in-laws remote in her bag.
Which remote?
TV remote in her bag.
The whole house.
Why did you people
Why are they running?
Why are you here?
We caught them running away.
This is
Why
my
are you here?
sister's
This is my
husband.
sister's house.
Okay, hold on.
Officer,
Hold on.
this is my sister's house. My sister and her husband they have been living here for long. My in-laws name is Abuchi.
This is
Now, I'm looking for my sister.
awesome.
I'm looking for my
Officer.
sister and her husband. I saw these people. There's one girl I saw when we were
This
coming.
is my
The girl ran away.
sister's
Run away.
The girl ran away. I
Officer.
came the other day.
This
The girl
is
refused to
my
open door for me.
sister's
Now I saw the girl running away. These people run away and they have stolen.
What is the name
They have
of your
stolen
sister?
something.
What's the name of
Search
your
this
sister?
bag now.
Carol,
You will see the mood.
My sister's name is Nkechi.
This is not her
This
house.
is her house.
Is she
This
living
one
here?
is one of you are thieves.
You are kidnappers.
You are not taking
You are
what I'm
kidnappers.
See, people should hold on. Who is the owner of this house?
My
My in-law. His name is Abuchi.
Officer,
Abuchi Mbojirigwe.
my sister Nkechi Nweke. Their sister
friends.
is a kidnapper with the husband. If there's a man,
And you're in
they
their house.
wanted to hang our sister.
Okay.
We came here, we saw our sister running away.
You are trespassing.
Okay, look at you.
You are trespassing.
Look at you. You are trespassing.
Somebody's
Okay.
compound.
You are trespassing.
Okay, hold on.
How did you come
Hold
here?
on.
Bring out the remote.
Hold on.
With the note.
By the time
Hold
you get
on.
to the station, you will know what you are about.
Officer,
Oh!
Officer, my in-laws dollars they are missing. Search this man.
Search him.
We do that.
Search him.
We do that.
Search this man.
Search this man.
You know,
And nobody.
please.
Nobody. Search him.
Who brought you here?
Who brought you?
here?
Where is the remote?
This is my
What's the
sister's husband's house.
Your sister ran away. Your sister
Yes,
ran away.
run away.
You know what? All of you are going with us to the station. Yes, everybody.
Officer,
Okay.
Everybody.
I will lock the
Everybody.
house.
We shall not go for long.
No one.
Officer, before I will leave here, you will search this guy. Leave. I'm still
Don't
the
worry.
mood.
Let's go.
Why would you go?
Move them. Move them. Move them. Move them.
I'm sorry. God knows I am sorry. It wasn't intentional. God knows. I didn't kill intentionally. No. I mean, it wasn't intentional. No. I only came to help her. I only came to help her. I didn't kill him intentionally. I pushed him. He fell. He hit his head on one block. That's what happened, though. God in heaven is my witness. Please.
Must you push? Who asked you to push?
Hey! My only child.
Caroline, you of all people, you hid this from us. Hey! Even when we called you on phone, you still lied to us.
I was afraid, Papa. I did not know what to do. I did not know what to do. I'm ashamed to call you my sister. I can't even believe you did this. Ha! But I did not kill him. I did not kill him. It's not good that I killed him.
Don't talk like this now. I pushed him now. I wasn't when I came to save you. Why are you talking like this now?
You're the one that
Why are you
killed
talking
him.
like this now? He hit his head now. Why would you say the truth
Must
here?
you push?
Mistake, Okudili. Mistake, Okudili. Okudili, if you go to jail, who will take care of Nkechi?
Why are you talking like this
Who will
now?
take care of Nkechi when you go to jail?
Why are you talking like this
They will
now?
give you-
What is this
You
now?
and your mistress killed her.
This is
husband.
a lady.
Sister, stop now, stop. Look at the kind of man you married.
She's not his mistress.
Nkechi, look at the kind of man you married. Nene.
This is a lady that's
He's a
supposed to
murderer.
marry. Now you married the mother.
Okay,
Look at your life.
Let's see what you have put yourself into.
Forgive my husband. It was not intentional. It was just being a good Samaritan. Because, Mama,
It's the one man they can change.
Please,
Good Samaritan.
Forgive my sister.
I know it's painful, but...
Papa, please. Do not allow my husband to go to jail. Please.
Daddy, please, forgive my
Mother,
sister.
Please.
Don't lay down your filthy hands on me, Caroline. Caroline! Caroline Onyaro. Chineke ga-abụghị Hey! Chineke tọkwanụ He's calling you.
Young man. Huh? Why did you kill him? And hid the body till now.
Sir, it was sorry, it was just a mistake, sir. It was a mistake.
Such an evil mind, young man. Well, you go and show us where you buried. And from there, I don't have much to say on this. Court will decide on what to do.
Police! Hey! Can I see you, please?
Yes. Go.
Can I see you?
Hey! 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 Hey!
Such a cool gang, you will look younger. Oh, Cordelia. Oh, Cordelia Chuku. When did he not Chuku get Pelugano? Oh, Kissy J. Anamajo in a Parija, Okudilie. Okudili Mabiaru and Madecote, your god, ye to be a man, I brought one of one. If I walk enough for one neck, holy cow. Mimera was the angel. Akinela was the angel. Okuo, Okudili. If I listen, where it comes. Epoqualita. Una di rombe. E po quasi enesi je potenza